Namaste. I am Nupur Vyam Pathak, working as a lecturer at Diwaliba Polytechnic, Ukatarsara University. I am here for career guidance, focusing mainly on diploma engineering. So, dear students, there are so many questions arising in your mind, like what to do after standard 10th, what will be the medium of instructions, which stream to select, where to get admission, what are the options for higher education, what about job after study, what will be the salary. This is the most important question, right? Here I am going to tell you the answers of your all questions, right? So first question is what to do after standard 10th. The simple answer of this question is you have to go in that stream in which you are more interested and more confident, right? And for that, of course, there are so many options available, like go for standard 11th and 12th science, commerce or art stream, diploma engineering, go for industrial training institutes, that is ITI, go for certificate based courses offered by technical board, fine art diploma courses, and no further study and join job or business. That is your choice, of course, right? But as we all know that education is a weapon for us to survive nowadays, so I suggest to get more and more education, right? Now, if you want to join 11th and 12th standard, so for that there are three options mainly available as said above, that is science, commerce and arts. You can get admission in commerce and arts stream by selecting commerce and arts subjects respectively. If you are interested in science stream, you have to score minimum 70% marks and then you can get admission in 11th science. But the ratio of getting admission from 11th to 12th science decreasing year by year because of getting less marks, requires too much hard work, etc. Now, there are total three groups in science stream. Group A, in which main subjects are physics, chemistry and maths. Here, biology subject is not required. Group B, in which main subjects are physics, chemistry and biology. Here, math subject is not required, but physics and chemistry remaining same as above, right? And group C, here main subjects are physics, chemistry, maths and biology. This group is also called as group AB because all four subjects are included in group C, right? Now, after 12th standard, you can get admission in the courses as per your choice, right? Now, if you are interested to get admission in engineering only, then there is one good option after 10th only, that is diploma engineering. Diploma engineering is a short-term 3-year course after 10th for better career, right? It is a good platform for strong knowledge to do Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology. If after diploma anyone is interested in bachelor, then one can get admission directly in second year of degree, which is called as diploma to degree, that is D2D course, right? 20% seats are reserved for diploma students in degree engineering colleges. So total 6 years are required to become an engineer, which is same if you are admitted in bachelor after 12th standard. But the advantage of diploma course over 12th standard is that it is, I think, less expensive and easy, right? Another advantage after diploma is bachelor degree may be done in any country after diploma. So think twice and choose wisely, right? If going in deep, there are innumerous diploma engineering courses, of which of few I would like to tell, that is mechanical engineering, electrical, civil, computer, information and technology engineering, automobile engineering, electronics and communication engineering, environmental, textile engineering, etc. Further scope after diploma is to get admission in D2D as said above, or to get job, for which various corporate and non-corporate companies are visiting the colleges and students can get placement, that is job, or starting their own high demand business, right? The main question arises in your mind is that the diploma engineering job in demand? The short answer is of course yes, right? After diploma, you can achieve your goal to become an engineer. You can develop logical mindset, which is, I think, very useful to take decisions in your life easily, right? Now, I will give you some basic information to get admission in diploma. First point is make checklist before to get an admission, which should contain list of colleges recognized by government, that is AICTE, right? And of course visit the college, right? Second point is points to be noted for getting admission in diploma engineering, that is admission criteria. One should know the complete knowledge about ACPDC admission process, colleges nearby your area, course wise available seats, options after diploma, important websites. And third thing is eligibility criteria. One must have passed Gujarat board qualifying examination or CBSE board qualifying examination. If any student is failed in 12th science or commerce stream, can get admission based on the result of 10th. So if you are ready to learn different languages like C, C++, Java, MATLAB, Python, ready to learn software like AutoCAD, ready to make projects based on AI or machine learning or deep learning, ready to make a robot in which fundamentals of all branches are required, ready to get a knowledge of cell phones, communication, wireless fidelity, electricity, mechanical machines, automations, automobile machines, then please come to us in Diwaliba Polytechnic and join Diploma Engineering. Lastly, I want to tell the 4 steps you should go for better career planning. That is, know yourself, explore your options, make decisions, and move towards decisions. So, dear students, get ready to explore yourself, and we are available to you 24/7. Feel free to come to us. Thank you so much.